Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into result. 14 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Corollary, which means a direct or natural consequence or result. Corollary. For example, the huge increases in unemployment were the corollary of expenditure cuts. Number 2. Reverberation, which means prolongation of a sound. Reverberation. For example, the scandal's political reverberations. Number 3. Solution, which means the correct answer to a puzzle. Solution. For example, the solution to this month's crossword. Number 4. Upshot, which means the final or eventual outcome or conclusion of a discussion, action, or series of events. Upshot. For example, the upshot of this conflict of interests was a compromise. Number 5. Sequel, which means something that takes place after or as a result of an earlier event. Sequel. For example, this encouragement to grow potatoes had a disastrous sequel some 50 years later. Number 6. Product, which means a thing or person that is the result of an action or process. Product. For example, her fear was a product of her emotional insecurity. Number 7. Repercussion, which means an unintended consequence of an event or action, especially an unwelcome one. Repercussion. For example, the political repercussions of the scandal were devastating. Number 8. Ramification, which means a complex or unwelcome consequence of an action or event. Ramification. For example, any change is bound to have legal ramifications. Number 9. Verdict, which means a decision on an issue of fact in a civil or criminal case or an inquest. Verdict. For example, the coroner recorded a verdict of death by misadventure. Number 10. Outcome, which means the way a thing turns out. Hinge. For example, the future of the industry could hinge on the outcome of next month's election. Number 11. Consequence, which means a result or effect, typically one that is unwelcome or unpleasant. consequence. For example, inflation is a consequence of a rapid growth in the money supply. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.